everyone, welcome to another Acres of Timber CRM tutorial. Today we're going to talk about sending out appointment links. So there are two main ways that you can do this. You can either do this by going to your contacts bar on the side here, going to Smart Lists and searching for the person that you want to send the appointment link to. Once you have them showing here, you'll just go to these three dots on the side and you can hit Schedule Appointment. And then you just fill out all of the information, make sure that you select what calendar it is. If you have multiple different appointment distinctions that you have and you keep them separate in different calendars, it's very important. Otherwise, you just fill it all out and you can change the status as well. And you can, change the appointment status. So once you do that, you can hit save. And another way that you can do this is you can actually go to appointments and you can go to schedule appointment. And then you'll see this same form here and it'll give you the same options. And that is how you send an appointment to anyone who you have in your CRM contacts.